Photoshop and AI. In this video, I'll show you how to install Photoshop Beta so you can create beautiful northern lights like I did the other day. Yes, it's true. The AI made this when I wrote Northern Lights. Yeah, I don't know. I tried several times. Anywho, we have another thing I tried. So I tried a house where I have like a before and a after, where I used the Photoshop AI to clean it up, and a kitchen. This is how it looks, but that's not where we start. We start with installing the AI. So you need to go down in the left corner of your screen, or middle corner if you have Windows 11, and click the Windows flag. Then you need to type in Adobe Creative Cloud. Comes up, you click it, then you get to a picture that looks like this. Up in the top there's a button called Apps. You click that one. Then in the down left corner there's another button, says Beta Apps. We go click that one, and then there's an install button. We click that, we wait 1%, 2%, next, and then when that's done we get a new shortcut. A smart tip when you've installed the Photoshop Beta is that you go back, you click on the Windows flag, you go up, you type in Photoshop, and then you get two options. So you have the normal Photoshop and you have the beta. A good idea is then to right click them and choose the attach to process line, because then you have it at the bottom of your screen and you don't confuse the two, because they have two different purposes. When it's installed, it looks like this, and then we just simply drag an image inside. We can choose to mark an area like I did here, and then we can click the generative fill and not prompt anything, and then voila, it cleans my wall here. So you see on the left that's before, on the right that's after. So let's try something that's a little bit more dirty. So I have this kitchen and I want to renovate it for Airbnb using generative AI. So I write, let's try to create a small kitchen with sink. And I did get a small kitchen with sink. The problem here is that it's still dirty, right? So I need a cleaning man. So Photoshop, bring me a cleaning man. And so it did. Cleaning man is right there. Then we start the cleaning, and now you see that it's pretty clean. I simply marked the areas and then clicked on the generate button, and all of a sudden everything was more clean. Let's see how it does when we add a painting. So painting was like pretty cool. We get like a few variations. I think that job like pretty okay. We had 3 options. Lamps didn't go that well, so like hanging kitchen lamps. You see the options on the right side. I added some tile floor too, but I'm not really impressed with what it did there. Like this lamp is like kind of like a spaceship that's inside the house. So there's like still some space for improvements, and it created this kind of weird tile floor. I had some options that were like a little bit more weird than that. That's it. After you've subscribed to the channel, go and create northern lights like I did. Or if you want to use AI to make some simple, cheap art, we made a video up here with how we hacked using IKEA to create AI art for a few dollars.